Now, you've done this before, so you know what you're doing, don't you? You've forgotten. It's the same one, yes, okay. A little bit of bum wiggling, so give them a wiggle, just to... Oh, it's all preempted, yes, yeah, it's all set, So, a little bit of bum wiggling, give them a wiggle, lovely, okay. Looks great from this side. Yours is bigger than mine. Oh, hers. What's bigger than hers? Oh, your bum. Sorry, I was what on about then. Right, okay, a little bit of bum wiggling. Then when we get to the chorus, this is when we get all the audience participation, okay? Because we're going to get all 500 people in the room tonight clapping their hands as fast as they can. But remember that from last year now? Is it coming back, is it? No. And then right at the end of the song, girls, take a bow or a curtsy. All right, by which point you will have worked the audience up into such a frenzy. Look at that frenzy fight. Are you ready? Have you got your knickers stuck up your bum or something, have you? Are you ready, Sharon? She doesn't wear them. It's not just been whistling in the wind, is it? No. Here we go then. So, ladies and gentlemen, Stephanie Sharon, also known as the two S's. A little bit of grease line. Well, this car is automatic. It's systematic. It's hydromatic. Well, it's grease lightning. Bit of bum wiggling. We'll get some over here, lifters, some fold over bars, oh yeah. Just some bum wiggling, listen. Feeling gypsy coffee, rolling bars, oh yeah. With fast feet on the floor and waiting at the door, you know that I am ready to the river, sweat, grease lightning. Ready, girls, put your right arm in. No grease lightning, you're burning on the quarter mile. Left arm, go grease lightning, you're crossing through the Q-line trial. Up, down, out, in, up, down, you must breathe. Disagree, go grease lightning, back to bumping. We'll get some legs, legs, till as a 30-inch spears, oh yeah. About a minute dance from two number twins, oh yeah. When you bitches like the sharks, if you get off the rocks, you know that I am bragging to the real. So that grease lightning, ready girls, right on out. Go grease lightning, you're burning on the quarter mile. Go grease lightning, you're crossing through the Q-line trial. Up, down, out, in, up, down, you lost the breeze. 6 and green, go grease lightning. Okay, give the bum twiddly, girls. Now this is where we get to the audience participation bit. On the count of 3, we're going to get everyone in the room tonight clapping their hands as fast as they can. But we need everybody in the room in the hand clapping position, which is like this. Okay, so are you ready, Sharon? Are you ready, Stephanie? On 3, here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, clap! Don't stop in the middle, Steph. Don't stop in the middle. A little bit faster, Sharon, a bit faster. Faster, Sharon, faster. Yeah, okay, well, that's the first bit done. Now back to bum wiggling. Then the second bit is a bit like patting your head and rubbing your tummy at the same time. But we're not going to do that, we're going to clap our hands and stamp our feet simultaneously. That means together, Gary, okay? So everybody back in the hand clapping position. Feet out, shoulder width apart. On 3, stamp and clap. Here we go. You ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, go! So get the feet going, girls. This is good for the upper thighs, apparently. And back in with the chorus. Right arm. Go grease lightning, you're burning on the quarter mile. Left arm. Go grease lightning, you're crossing through the Q-line trial. Up, down, out, in, up, down, you want to breathe. 6 and green. Go grease lightning, you want some big wriggles. Lightning. One more for a big finish. Lightning. Take it out, ladies, take it out. Ladies and gentlemen, Stephanie and Sharon.